previously we're at here, where I was looping through the table, and I was trying to adding the table, and it's giving me this error, runtime error, dictionary change size during iteration. And I feel like my lens of focus is too zoomed in. I wasn't able to allocate the problem. Upon the second thought, I realized, why don't I just put the destination node in, like directly? Like, why am I looping through this again? So I think this part should just go. Gone. So then, what am I left with? So I'm left at where I started, but then here, else the source node, and then oh, so what I'm thinking is, why don't I just add it in? Table, why don't I just initialize every single node, right? Table source node equals to empty, and then table destination node equals to empty. Why don't I just do this? Right? So let's try this. Okay. And then we should get a table. And there you go. We have A, B, C, D, E, G, F. E, G, F. Okay, so that looks like we got every single thing. And then here, why do I need the conditionals? Right? Why do I need to check to see if it's in the table? Right? I might as well just append it. Should be easier, just like this. Right? Will that give me the right answer? Oh. Okay. So that looks like A, B, C, D, and E. So that did not give me the right answer. Because B should have C, E, D. Okay, so then let's go back. Let's remove this line. Let's run this. Something is overriding. So something is going on that is overriding our results. So F is correct. So let's look at this in detail. So our previous result versus our current result, it looks like they are the same, which means I was correct that this is not doing anything. But what isn't correct is, I want to rename this to SRC. DST. src. And DST. Okay. Or it would be simpler if we do this. Does this work? Source node. Oh, right here. C node. DST node. All right. What? Oh. Because source node is not initialized. So, what is the problem here? What are we trying to solve? We're getting the wrong table, right? So each is A and B, right? So this is A, source is A, destination is B, right? Our source node, we initialize to 0. Source node, so table at A is 0, B is 0. Oh, and then we reset. That's why. So we'll need to instantiate a table with. So we should do 2 loops. So I think I know what's going on. So here we're erasing it. We're erasing our previous result and storing the new result instead of remembering our previous result. So here, this needs to be, so these 2 lines needs to be instantiated elsewhere. So we need to, so here, this table, let's initialize our table. Init table. And then we'll pass our input in. Okay, we'll initialize our table. And in here, we're going to do this. This is what we're going to do. Is the indentation correct? It looks like the indentation is correct. Yep, indentation is correct. Yep. Okay, so we initialize our table here. And here, our table is returned. So here, we initialized our table. And then once our table is initialized, we just append it to a destination. So this should work. Yes. Yes. The taste of victory. All right, let's do one more verification. Because I need, finally, after so many tries. Okay. A is initialized to B, B, C, D, E, F, G, and F. There you go. Oh, so here is the first part of our problem solved. We initialize the table with all our nodes, and then we just append our destination node to our source node. So that actually makes it a lot easier to work with. Okay, so now that we have this, it will be we need to get our distance. And this is going to get us one step closer to getting the output, this output that we're looking for. Good stuff.